Good morning, sir. Good morning, Sir Leo Arcayos. My name is Enrich Lagay Jr. from Section G2T. Today, we'll explore the importance of the Notice to Mariners or NTM and how it plays a crucial role in safe navigation at sea. This is the importance of Notice to Mariners and correcting nautical charts and publications. What is the Notice to Mariners? The Notice to Mariners is a weekly publication that provides essential updates and corrections to nautical charts, sailing directions, and other maritime publications. Look at this picture. Admiralty Notice to Mariners. Why is it important? Shipping routes, navigational aids, and hazards at sea are constantly changing. The the not, notice the mariners ensure that mariners have the latest and most accurate information to avoid danger and navigate efficiently. Like this picture na mas mas updated ning usa kontra sa isa. Uh, Likay sa disgrasya ang basta nindot ang ano anang ay may mapa. What does it include? The notice to mariners is divided into different sections covering corrections to charts, navigational warnings, radio signals, fog signals, and updates to Admiralty sailing's direction. Here, may, like like this picture, nang number ng explanatory notes and indexes, correction to nautical warnings, radio signals, basta like in this picture, okay. Who uses the NTM or notice to mariners? NTM is used by ship captains, navigators, and bridge crews to maintain safe passage through waterways. Staying updated with NTM helps avoid accidents and ensure compliance with international maritime regulations. Example, these pictures. Ang nilantaw sa mapa tas napasay gaba. Like in these pictures. Is used weekly for safety. New additional New editions of the Notice to Mariners are issued every week. It is vital for seafarers to review these updates regularly and make the necessary corrections to their charts and publications. Like this picture, notice to mariners. Ay, sa po na ay sa man pag-research like aning like nga ning pictures. Example nila siya sa example. By by following the updates in the notice to mariners, ships can navigate safely and efficiently, ensuring smooth voyage across the world's ocean. Thank you for watching and safe sailing. Thank you, sir. This is my presentation.